trip in America. 60 non-stop minutes over the tracks of your mind into the exciting world of soul. Starring Gladys Knight and the Pips, The Honeycomb, Bobby Hutton, and special guest star Eddie Kendricks and the Soul Train Gang. Here's your host, Don Cornelius.
Hi there and welcome aboard. You're right on time for a beautiful trip on the Soul Train. And if the sight and sound of soul is your pleasure and what your treasure, you can bet your bottom we got 'em, baby. And after message from the Johnson Products Company, 3 of the most beautiful and talented sisters you've ever seen in your life are going to be looking you dead in your eyes where your beauty lies. Look out now for the